Hey friends, if you encounter this issue when you get the error, the current input timing is not supported by the monitor display on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane and then scroll down and then select graphics. Check for advanced graphics settings and make sure that this is set at a variable refresh rate. The switch should be on. Okay, then return to the graphics page. There are two components here with the scale and the resolution. Make sure that both of these are set at the recommended value and not any other value. Once this is sorted, you can also consider updating the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Go to device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.